Quick update on a few stocks. 6th of May 2022. Yeah, horrible night overseas. Horrible markets in general. This is not financial advice. So Zim, I'm back in this one. I bought it this morning around about here. It's not a real pullback, so I was a little bit nervous about it, but just the way that sort of recovered that 50-day moving average looks really good. And considering just how bad the markets were, the fact that this stock isn't even up at all, I think is just showing a lot of power here. If we zoom out to the weekly, this was sort of came back, sort of tagged previous resistance here. So I think on a bigger time scale, it's actually looking all right. It's not really my trading plan, but maybe sort of buy here and that big upside reversal day here. But anyway, I didn't do it. Got to stop under here, so let's see how it goes. Yeah, previous winner for me, Zim. So maybe I've got a bit too much bias for it, but anyway. Next one is XOM. A bit of Twitter chat that this was starting to look good. So of course, came back a bit today, but to be expected in a bad market. I'm in this trade, but noting that breakouts haven't been working particularly well, so sort of obvious clean breaks aren't working. Still didn't drop much today. I'm in it to win it, so let's see how it goes. If it pushes up much more, I'll sell partials on it to lock in profits, which I think is important in this choppy market. One final trade that I didn't do, but I just saw on the Investor Business daily video, was Northrop Grumman. Pretty decent sector. Nice long base. Pushed out of that base. Pretty spectacular. Rising 50-day moving average. So where I probably should have been buying it was maybe that day. Might have been stopped out. Probably not. If I was stopped out, had another go. So it looks like to me as had been well supported at that 50-day moving average. So it's sort of tried to fail that a few times and just hasn't. So I don't think that would be the biggest percentage mover, but equally I don't think this is going to be an extremely volatile stock. Either just given it's a $72 billion company. So yeah, not in this trade. Probably should have been. Actually, just goes to show. I think the lesson there is there's quite often trades to be had, even just terrible markets. So yeah, just keep at it, and especially when things are gloomy, just keep an eye out for stocks that are just flashing up my buy signals. Anyway, so this is a quick update on a few stocks.